Hey guys, so today I'm going to be using the Lemonade Craze palette to create a nice neutral eye look with a bright pink lip. I'm going to be using all Maybelline products today. So I'm going to go in with my Super Stay foundation, which I really love to use on a daily basis because it's full coverage and it makes everything look so natural. I like how this foundation stays all day and it blends in with my skin very well and doesn't make it look patchy or anything, so I definitely like to use this one on a daily basis, and it's only like 12 bucks. So I'm blending that out with a Real Techniques brush, the stippling brush, and then I'm going to go in with the Real Techniques sponge just to blend it all out and make sure it's all smooth. Now I'm going to go in with the Age Rewind concealer. This one's an oldie but a goodie. I'm just going to take that with my Real Techniques sponge and blend that all in. Then I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me stick. This one is in 130. I like to go in with this because it is a shade darker than the one that I would use for concealer or foundation. So if you are as fair as me, you could use 130. If not, then go darker. I would only do a shade or two darker than what you would normally use on your face because you don't want it to look too tan or too dark. So I'm just taking this on a flat contour brush from Real Techniques, which I absolutely love, and then I'm going to take the Real Techniques sponge and just blend it all out. Now I'm going to go in with my Fit Me loose powder. I actually like it as a setting powder for my concealer because I did buy the wrong color. It's too light. I'm going to put it on a wet Real Techniques sponge, and then I'm going to take the Real Techniques big face brush just to blend it all out, and what you want to do is just like brush it away and then pat it into your face. Then I'm going to go in with the Fit Me pressed powder. This one's in 120, and then a flat Real Techniques brush and just put that all over my face and pat that in to blend everything in nicely. Then I'm going to go in with this Fit Me blush. It's in 50, so I'm just taking that on a big stippling brush. This brush I got from Primark, so I'm just blending that in. I am using the Lemonade Craze palette again, just to show you guys that you can use this palette to do a more neutral shade and a natural eye look instead of the bright pink one that I did before. For highlight, I'm going to go in with Main Squeeze because it is a very shimmery light color, and I think that would be perfect for my skin tone. If you have a deeper skin tone, you could use Citrus or even the pink one, which is Strawberry Lemonade. Okay, so now on to eyes. I'm just going to take sherbet all over my eye just to make that color blend in, and then I'm going to go in with Sweet Tea as my transition shade. So this one you want to bring above your crease and in your crease from the inner corner out to the outer corner. Then I'm going to go in with Old Fashioned with a skinnier fluffy brush, and I'm just going to put that in my crease. And you definitely want to put this in the outer corner and like brush it out to make that little point on the end. Then I'm going back in with sherbet just to blend it all together because it is a light color, but it will blend it all. Taking Sweet Tea again and putting that with a fluffy brush in my crease and blending those three colors together. Now I'm taking Citrus on a flat top brush And you do want to wet the brush. I should have put on concealer before I did the look, which now I know for next time, but this color is very beautiful, so I took it on my finger and blended it out like that. I really do like to use my finger to put on shimmers, even if it's a highlight or something. Then I'm just going to blend that all out with my brush that already has the product on it from Sherbert. Now I'm taking a flat, tiny shadow brush and just going in with Old Fashioned and bringing that on my lower lash line. And then we'll blend that all together with Sweet Tea. I'm also taking the same brush, I'm going to clean it with a brush cleaner and then go on with Main Squeeze in my brow bone. So I do have these two Maybelline eyebrow products. If you watched my last video, you saw that I like to use the Total Temptation, but I'm gonna try a new one and going with Brow Drama, which also came out very well. If you want to use the Brow Drama, that one's more just of a color to go through your brows, and the Total Temptation one is more of a precise brow. So I'm just gonna clean my lips with a rag because I did get foundation all over them, and then I'm gonna go in with my lip product. This one is the Vivid Matte one in 40. I did mess up a bit, so what I'm gonna do is take a Q-tip and just wipe off the excess. Now I'm going to go in with the Big Shot Mascara. Then I'm just brushing my hair out so I could take this little video for you guys. Let me know if you guys like this look. If you do, comment down below. Make sure you like and subscribe. Also, check my Instagram page. It's at lex.glam. Thank you guys so much for watching.